We ate all your Halloween candy.
Can I see?
Yeah. Hold on. Stay right there. I'll go get your bucket.
I don't have any more candy anymore.
I know. We ate it all.
Give me that.
Me and Daddy ate it all.
You're mean.
Why do you say that?
I'm gonna see the trash. But you ate it all.
Don't you throw that away. I don't get any more treats. Okay. You don't either, because me and Daddy ate them all. Abby.
I get treats.
No, you don't. Me and Daddy ate them all.
I get treats, but I'm gonna get chocolate chips and this and that.